So ESQ Apprentice is this amazing program where they allow women to know and understand how to become attorneys through the apprenticeship process, where you don't have to necessarily go to law school. To me, it's a game changer because a lot of us don't know about this access, and just the knowledge alone is worth more than its weight in gold. So I've always wanted to become an attorney ever since I was, I don't know, before I can remember, maybe like 7. I planned on going to law school, then, life got in the way and it just never happened. When I found out about the apprenticeship process, it was something that I said, well, maybe I can do that. A lot of people are afraid of the law, especially when you're living in a community where you've been marginalized a lot and where you've been othered, and maybe you've been on the other side of the law, guilty or not. It makes you a little less afraid because you're able to understand it and understand what your rights are. Above all, that's bigger than what people really think. It's bigger than just the words. It makes a huge difference in your trauma you suffered. It makes a huge difference in your psyche, in knowing that you do have a voice. Whether anyone's listening or not, you do have one and you can use it. They're able to teach them to defend themselves and their families and then make a career out of it. And in doing that, gain the confidence to continue to use their voice, the law, and by any means necessary, so to speak, to be able to not just put their families in a better position, but to give back and give other community members a chance. I think that it's a game changer. ESQ Apprentice is really, I believe, for anyone who is able to get into the program, it's a game changer, not just for them, but for our community as a whole, because they'll in turn go back and represent our community members. I would say you're not donating to benefit this organization, you're donating to benefit the community. This is not just, it's bigger than just the organization, but what they do is wide reaching. It affects not just families, it affects, this family is your neighbor. And if this family is not that's in this program is not your neighbor, their children go to school with your children. So wouldn't it be better for them to know and understand the laws of the country, or being able to voice the laws, to advocate for the rights of others and themselves? To me, that's priceless. ESQ Apprentice is improving lives, not just for the participants, but for their families.